Two heavyweight champions in the CRM world, Salesforce and Zoho CRM. One big question, which one really delivers? On the left, Salesforce, the world's #1 CRM platform for enterprise growth. And on the right, Zoho CRM, affordable and easy for growing teams. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. All right, let's quickly peek at the mind map. These are the categories we'll compare Salesforce and Zoho CRM on: price, features and automation, integrations and ecosystem, scalability and enterprise readiness, customization and ease of use, support and community, reporting and analytics, and user ratings. Lot to cover, so let's dive straight in. Starting off with the biggie, price. Salesforce? It's definitely more in the premium tier. We're talking $25 up to $165 per user per month. And that's just the base plans. You want the fancy stuff? Add-ons ramp that up even more. Sure, you get enterprise-grade features and tons of customization, but the price tag, it's real. Now, Zoho CRM comes in swinging with a free plan. Yep, legit free for up to 3 users. Their paid plans start at $14 a user monthly, which is kind of wild considering you still get a bunch of solid features. Some top-tier things like AI are add-ons. Yeah, but you can get a pretty full CRM for a fraction of Salesforce's price. Bottom line, Zoho wins here, hands down for affordability. Next up, features and automation. Salesforce is honestly the king when it comes to high-powered, nitty-gritty stuff. The Einstein AI is super smart. It can predict, analyze, automate, all the fancy things you might dream about. Plus, you can build deeply custom workflows and handle really advanced business logic. Although you kind of need a pro to set it up if you want to maximize it. Zoho CRM, it's got a cool vibe with Zia AI for lead scoring and insights. Super user-friendly. The automation flows are drag and drop, which is amazing for speed and ease. Not quite as beastly as Salesforce on the AI side, and you'll hit some walls with complexity. But honestly, Zoho's setup is friendlier for most teams. Still, overall, Salesforce pulls ahead for raw firepower. Let's talk integrations and ecosystem. With Salesforce, you get this massive app exchange thing. Over 7,000 integrations. Seriously, if you need it to talk to ERP, marketing tools, support systems, Salesforce probably does it. Plus, the developer community is huge, so custom stuff is totally possible. But get ready for some technical heavy lifting. Meanwhile, Zoho CRM ties tightly into the Zoho ecosystem. Over 40 apps, plus more than 300 integrations. Connecting to popular tools is a breeze. And Zapier/Make it even easier. If you're all in on Zoho, there's almost no friction. But compared to Salesforce's deep enterprise integration, Zoho's just not as broad or custom. So Salesforce wins for ecosystem muscle. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Salesforce basically pioneered the whole cloud CRM thing way back in 1999? Zoho CRM rolled in after, making all this CRM magic affordable for small businesses starting in 2005. Legacy matters. On to scalability and enterprise readiness. Salesforce is designed for giants. It can handle millions of customer records, manage global teams, toss in multi-layer permissions, the works. If your org is crazy complex or going global, Salesforce eats that up. But keep in mind, scaling up means prices climb too. And it can be overkill for smaller shops. Zoho CRM does great for small to mid-sized teams. Onboarding is fast, and it scales to a point. Hit global or ultra-high volume, though, and yeah, you'll start to feel limited, especially with security or compliance stuff. So, the trophy for enterprise readiness, that's Salesforce. Customization and ease of use. This one's interesting. Salesforce is like clay for your IT team. Customize anything. Build whatever logic you want, if you have the time and expertise. But let's be real, it's not the fastest to learn, and the interface is professional, let's say. Zoho CRM is way more chill here. Setup is super quick, everything's drag and drop, and even non-tech folks can adjust fields and modules without pulling their hair out. There are boundaries if you want things ultra custom, but for most users, you'll find it smooth and flexible. Gotta hand this category to Zoho. It's just more inviting. Support and community. Salesforce has a massive global network, tons of training resources, and forums for days. But personalized, quick support, that can cost extra. And honestly, it can feel a bit robotic if you're a smaller client. Zoho CRM, 24/7 chat and email for paid users. That's huge. Their knowledge base is solid, and Zoho Academy helps guide you through stuff. The catch, when it gets to highly complex deployments, their support might not get as deep as Salesforce's big consultant base. Still, for most teams, Zoho actually nails support and community much better. Reporting and analytics. Salesforce absolutely shines here with wild, multi-dimensional reports and AI-powered predictive analytics. You want to slice your sales data every which way? It's got you covered, though some setups can get intense. Zoho CRM's dashboards are super visual and included with upper-tier plans. And for most needs, the reporting's awesome. But for intricate analytics or forecasting, it's just not on the same level as Salesforce. So yeah, Salesforce takes this one. Finally, user ratings. On G2 and Gartner, Salesforce scores 4.5 and 4.2 respectively, while Zoho is steady at 4.1 and even sneaks ahead in Gartner at 4.3. What's cool is Salesforce gets love from big enterprise users, but SMBs point out the complexity. Zoho CRM, on the other hand, is a hit with simpler workflows, but gets dinged for if you're trying to go super enterprise. Honestly, this one's a tie. Both are crowd favorites, just for slightly different audiences. If you look at the radar chart, Salesforce kind of dominates on enterprise features, integrations, scalability, and analytics. But Zoho CRM totally holds its own on price, ease of use, support, and really features for SMBs. It's like watching a heavyweight and a nimble contender. Each one has their own zones where they totally shine. So, closing thoughts. Salesforce is nuts if you're a huge org that needs lots of custom stuff and can handle all that tech. It's built for the big leagues. But if budgets are tight or you want something you can get going in like an afternoon, Zoho CRM is such a smart move. You get killer features out of the box, the learning curve is gentle, and the price, you honestly can't beat it. Which CRM fits your business journey? You know what? Leave a comment if you want to follow up on a specific use case. And if you dug this comparison, stay tuned for more practical tech deep dives.